Hello, little friends. Welcome to Happy Hugsters. Today, we are going on a colorful fruit adventure. Are you ready? Let's go. Apple, banana, watermelon, orange, grapes, strawberry, pineapple, coconut, lychee, dragon fruit, avocado, peach, pear, kiwi, papaya, cherries, blueberries, pomegranate, chiku, cranberries. Wow, we had so much fun learning about fruits today. Remember to eat lots of fruits to stay healthy and strong. See you in the next fun adventure. Bye-bye.